Let's talk about being the life of the party. Today, we're diving into the big ideas from Tristan's Socials Guide on exactly that. And here's the kicker. We're going to show you that social confidence, it's not some magic you're born with. Nope, it's a skill you can actually build one step at a time. So let's jump right in. You know that feeling, right? You walk into a party, see these social butterflies just effortlessly floating around, and you think to yourself, man, I could never do that. I'm just not built that way. Well, if that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. We're here to completely dismantle that belief. Okay, so here's our game plan. We'll start with how it's a skill you can learn, then get into the core philosophy behind it all. After that, we'll cover your first social hack, some advanced strategies, and wrap up with a big challenge called the 10 Stair Jump. All right, first up, and this is the absolute foundation of everything. You've got to make a huge mindset shift. Being good with people isn't some fixed trait you either have or you don't. Think of it like a muscle. Seriously, it's something you can train, something you can build up with practice.
I mean, look at this quote. It's just like shooting a basketball or driving a car. You wouldn't just hop onto a court and expect to sink every three-pointer, right? Of course not. You'd practice. Well, socializing is the exact same thing. If you want to become a social powerhouse, you have to actually, work out that social muscle.
Okay, this next idea is such a brilliant little mind trick. Think about this. When you say, I'm shy or I'm not confident, you're actually being incredibly confident in your own shyness. The real power move is to flip the script. Stop saying, I am shy. Start saying, I was shy. See that? Just by putting it in the past tense, you open up the door for a brand new social you to step through right now. So, with that new mindset, let's get to the core philosophy. This next part, it's basically the key that unlocks everything else. It's the secret to being welcomed in pretty much any room you walk into.
And here it is. It's so simple, you might even miss how powerful it is. The big idea is this: give more value than you take. That's it. In any social situation, your main goal should be to add something to the experience, to give more energy, more positivity, more fun than you're trying to get for yourself.
So what does value even mean in this context? Are we talking about buying everyone drinks? Not at all. It's way simpler. Value can be just a smile, a real, genuine compliment. It could be bringing pizza to the party, sure, but it could also be just offering someone a piece of gum. It's about asking good questions and just generally bringing a fun, positive energy. It's all about adding, not taking.
All right, philosophy is great, but let's get practical. Let's talk about an actual actionable hack you can use like tonight. This is a super simple, totally low stakes way to break the ice. It's called the gum technique, and it's brilliant. Here's what you do. You get a few different packs of gum. You walk up to people, everyone, if you can, and just offer them a piece. That's it. You let them start the conversation. The genius here is that you're not stressing about the perfect opening line. Your entire mission is just a simple, friendly offer. All the pressure is just gone.
So why does something so simple work so well? Well, it taps into this deep-seated psychological rule called the law of reciprocity. It's human nature. When someone gives you something, even something tiny like a piece of gum, you feel this little subconscious nudge to give something back. And at a party, what do people have to give? Their time, their attention, a conversation.
All right, you've got the basics down. Now, if you're ready to level up your social game, let's dive into some more advanced strategies. We're going to look at 3 key ideas here: leveraging the host, using sobriety as a secret weapon, and finding your own vibe to attract your tribe. Okay, this is a really important distinction. There's the life of the party, and then there's the jester of the party. The true life of the party is an asset. They're clear-headed, they're making real connections, and people genuinely admire them. The jester? They're often drunk, becoming more of a liability. Sure, people might laugh at them, but they're not making real connections, and they probably won't remember anyone's name. Being sober, or at least in control, is a superpower here.
Here's a pro tip, a real social cheat code. Connect with the person who's actually hosting the event. Think about it. They are the hub of the entire social wheel. They know everyone. If you make a genuine connection with them, thank them for hosting, they can literally open up their entire network to you. It's the smartest move you can make. And this is all about being you. Forget trying to be cool or trying to fit in with everyone. Instead, just lean into your own authentic vibe. If you're a little nerdy, be nerdy. If you want to dance like a complete goofball, get out there and do it. Your real, genuine energy is like a magnet. It will attract the people you actually want to hang out with. You stop chasing and start attracting your tribe. Okay, let's get to the final piece of the puzzle, and honestly, this might be the most powerful idea of all. This is the ultimate challenge if you're really serious about growing fast. It's called the 10 stair jump. Now, this is a metaphor from skateboarding. Just picture it, a massive, scary, 10-step flight of stairs that a skater is about to try and jump. It's terrifying. In the social world, your 10 stair jump is your biggest, scariest social fear, the thing that makes your stomach drop. But here's the magic on it. Once you finally face that huge, terrifying 10-stair junk, all those smaller, everyday social fears, like the 3-stair or 5-stair jumps, they suddenly feel like nothing. It's like, oh, starting a conversation with a stranger? I just did something way scarier than that. You totally recalibrate what you consider hard.
So what could a 10-stair jump even be? Well, it's totally personal. For you, maybe it's walking up to the most attractive person at the party. For someone else, it might be just going to an event completely by yourself. Or maybe it's dancing all alone on the dance floor when no one else is. Heck, it could even be the ultimate leap, hosting your very own party.
And that brings us right back to you. Because look, knowing all this stuff is one thing, but doing it, that's everything. So I want you to really think about it. What is your social jump? It doesn't have to be a 10-stair. Maybe it's a 3-stair. But what's the one jump you're going to take this week?